Hey everybody, it's the Doll Boy, and today I'll show you this Ariel playset from the Animator Collection Littles line that I got from the Disney Store. This set has some gadgets and gizmos that are perfect for doll photography, so I'm really excited to share it with you all. The set comes in this box in the new Disney Store style, with this cute illustration of baby Ariel. On the bottom of the box it shows the price, which is 16 euros or 13 pounds. I've checked on the Disney Store site, and in the United States this set retails for $20. Then, on the back of the box, it shows you this image of everything that's inside, except for what's inside of this mystery bag. After taking everything out of the box, I couldn't wait to open the mystery bag, so beware for spoilers. In this mystery bag comes Scuttle, Ariel's seagull friend. The set also comes with a flounder figurine, Sebastian in his seashell, and these pages of sheet music to go with him, just like in the movie. Then there's this little seahorse in gold and pink that looks a lot like the royal presenter. And the set comes with this little starfish. Then there's this vanity, just like the one Ariel and her sisters have. And this rock that Ariel sits on when Sebastian sings Under the Sea. The set also comes with a shell that Ariel is supposed to sit in the beginning of the movie. In this shell, you can find a dingle hopper. It is attached to the shell, but can be easily removed for posing with your dolls. And then what I'm probably most excited about is the dancing couple figurine from Ariel's collection. The figurine can also be seen when Ariel sings Part of Your World, and I'm incredibly impressed by how much this figurine looks like how it does in the movie. Also, this figurine is the perfect size for doll photography with Ariel. And then this set also obviously has a little Ariel figurine. All of these things came with the castle of Atlantica. It's really nicely sculpted, with glitter rooftops and a handle that says Animator's Collection. Another fun feature about the castle is that the front door actually opens and closes. When you open the back of the castle, you get this extra playing area, on which you can pose the little figurines that come with the set to get a really cute setup. And when you're done playing, you can store everything inside. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment to let me know what's your favorite piece of this set. If you want to see more pictures of my dolls with this set, make sure to follow me on Instagram @TheDollBoy. See you next time!